Hello and welcome friends, I am Bittu and this is the Linux terminal. In this video, I am going to show you an application which is great for getting CPU related informations, and that is CPU fetch. So it basically gives us CPU related informations like the name of the CPU with a beautiful ASCII art, and the architecture of CPU and the cores it has. So but unfortunately it is not available in official repository, so we will have to download it from its source and build it by our own. So it is available on GitHub. We will have to clone the repo. So to do that, we will have to give the command git clone https github.com and capital D R is capital N double O B and forward slash and cpu fetch. It will clone the repo in cpu fetch directory. So when it will have cloned, as we can see it has been cloned, and then we will change to that directory, and here we will have about 1 2 3 have 7 files, and now we have to make the binary. So to do that, we have to run the command make, and it will build the binary file. As you can see, there is an binary file or an executable file in this directory which is newly created, and when we run this script or binary file, it gives us the CPU related informations. Here you can see I have Intel processor, Intel i3 processor, and it gives us informations like microarchitecture of the CPU, technology which is used to build that CPU, and codes, and many other stuffs. So that was all CPU fetch. And if you want to place this binary for global usage, you can move this binary binary to your global binary directory. To do that, you have to simply run command sudo cp for copy, and this is cpu fetch to user and binary directory. It will ask for our password, give the password, and it will copy this cpu fetch binary to the global binary directory. And now you can use cpu fetch from anywhere in your system. And now I am in my home directory, and there is not any cpu fetch executable file in this directory. So now I have to test that it has been set up successfully. So simply run cpu fetch and hit enter, and now you can see it is showing me the same information. So that was all about cpu fetch. If you liked this video, please like the video and subscribe the channel to get new or future video notifications firstly.